Hello everyone and welcome to another next video. Today we're gonna do another Mantax quickie tutorial. Today, by popular request, I'm making a tutorial on how to make my own channel banner. No, of course you're going to make it for yours this time. So, go to the internet and first thing first, find a channel art template. This basically shows the resolutions for TV, for desktop, etc. Okay, so see this number 2560 by 1440. Remember that number, okay? So because it's my original image, so we're going to create new. We'll use this inches. What was that? 2560 by 1440. If I remember it correctly, let me check. Yes, I was correct. So here is going to be a blank layer. Let's open, the same as my desktop. Video. Here we go. This image, I'm going to upload that on top of it, as you can see. So yeah, now we have the whole area, know where everything's supposed to be. Okay. So here, what I did. First thing first, let's open your logotype. Okay, so you see, let me make it a little bit smaller. Okay, upload that here. Make somewhere like here so everybody could see it. And I think I did somewhere like here. Behind that layer, go to Effects, Gradient Overlay. Oh, let me open this. Of course, I forgot one thing that's really important. You need to color this layer first, so you can just brush it around. You can turn it off to to see whole resolutions and everything. Then open this gradient overlay, and what I did, I think, was this one. It was a radial and reverse. Oh my god, it's messed up and everything. Or you can do it a little bit easier maybe way, because I need to adjust everything and I'm a little bit in a hurry. Just do this. See? Nice and easy. A little bit of gray here, a little bit lighter here. So now that you have that, you can add your text. I use, if I remember correctly, I think this font, Kenyan Coffee. I wrote something like this. I think I stretched it a little bit for a little bit of different, font. Maybe a little bit smaller, a little bit higher as well. So yeah, something like that. Let me look. Yeah, I made it black, so let me do that as well. Black color. Nice and easy. Look how it looks. Good enough. Let me add lower opacity a little bit down so I can see through both of these layers, okay? So now you can add a little message under your name. So first thing like that, this sub. I'm of course joking and everything. You should make something a little bit more creative, a little bit smaller. That's what I did, at least, because it's it's this type of, what I did. Oh, what the hell happened here? Okay, nice. Align with this text, as you can see. Nice and smooth. I did nothing to this text at all. So yeah, now that we have that, what about this cooler waves and everything? Of course, I'm going to use this for my own as well. Yeah, let's add something like here. So now that if we're going to use maximum, yeah, looks good. So basically, how I did this layer, because you can of course search for a sound wave PNG or everything. You can use those, but I did this person, a little bit more personal and everything. Basically what I did is recorded a voice track. It is possible to, you know, play by this, you know, audio waves. What it is, a secret message or whatever. Yes, I'm telling you that only that thing made little, you know, shapes around the rectangles, you know, what, like these. Yeah, as you can see, made shit ton of them, making, you know, like this. Colored them red. Apply the effect. You can see, you can look at my bevel emboss. There's the, you know, the whole textures, because it gives you, you know, that little bit of shadow underneath, a little bit inner shadow, just a little bit, sudden, and drop shadow. That's what I did. And I think that's pretty much it. Of course, you can use, you know, your maybe Twitter. You can write your Twitter. You know, you can write your Snapchat, Facebook, social media, basically. And that's going to be pretty much it. I think you know, you can, for example, merge everything for right now. Set besides everything, merge, and select the whole layer. Ctrl, hold Ctrl, and click this layer. Click move beyond this layer and make everything more center. Yeah, this way everything is in line, looking good. Of course, you can make a little secret Easter eggs for TV users or whatever. You know, maybe you want to add I don't know, a little TV here, for example. Let me draw a little TV for you guys. For example, little, you know, TV here. I mean, I'm not advising to draw anything, but maybe a little Easter egg. So as you can see, only TV users are going to see that. No desktop, no tablet, no desktop maximum who's using a wide screen or anything ain't gonna see that. So you can add a little bit of Easter egg, if I would say so. And that's going to be pretty much it for this easy, modern, quick YouTube banner. Yeah, I mean, was it that hard? If you want more difficult one, because I've made a couple of those. If I'm gonna show, yeah, let me show you. Okay, where's Adobe, Photoshop, my channel art. I made a couple of those. As you can see, I can show you how to make something like this one. This is my, you know, channel art I'm using right now. I can show you how to make this one. I think it's pretty much the same like these two. Yeah. I can make you this one. This was my first channel banner. Okay, so that's going to be it for you guys. Thank you all for watching. If you did enjoy this video, give this video a like, a comment, and maybe subscribe if you haven't already. And if you have any questions, leave them in comments down below. And of course, if I'm able to answer that question, I'm going to answer it, or maybe show you how to do that thing in the video. Okay, so I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.